This is the SIG 322. Got the chamber flag in, no mag, don't have to worry. This is kind of a follow-up video to what we did before. I've shot a lot of rounds through it. Had a lot of problems in the beginning. A combination of ammo, breaking it in, possibly, you know, not holding it quite right, maybe a little limp wristing. Who knows what? All those things though are a factor, and we'll see what it'll do now. I do know that this ammo, I had that 555 box, but it's the same stuff. Was not working well in the 22s. It gave problems with your Walther PPQ. Yeah, where it was running flawless before that. I ran some of that in it. It started having failures. I was giving failures to the Taurus TX22 and the Ruger SR22. So not the best ammo, but there's only a few left, and we're gonna see what it'll do. These two mags have that in it. One last thing, the employee here took it while we were shooting and he cleaned it, and I'll bring you that, his opinion of what he did in a little bit. That? Go with the blue and the gray. Alright, let's see what she'll do. We're out. So ran that one flawlessly, and that's what I've been finding. The more I shoot it, the better it works. Okay, you're gonna do nature training here. You can select all these, whatever you want. There's all kinds of stuff here. This is like a wheel, lights out. This one I like, shooting tree. Well, let's just do that one. Got another mag of 20 here. Well, let's see if it'll fire these off, huh? Yep. And this, you have to hit them in order. So I gotta hit 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for it to reset. Going to level 2. Yeah, one failure. And we're out. So I had one failure out of 40. It's not bad for what I know is crappy ammo. Also in this model, it's very critical to get your magazine loading good. If you just pull this down and drop them in, they're going to be all random in there. So let the spring push each one up. Like that. And you shouldn't have a problem. I'll show it to you when it's done. So see how it's a stack and a half, but they're all even and patterned. Forward, back, forward, back. So it should look pretty consistent. You're done loading it. You're gonna get one. Here's a 20 mark. You should have one down below it. That's your full 20. How's yours look? Getting there, you're out of ammo, huh?
Yeah, I'm out of ammo.
All right, two more clipazines. CCI this time. which should work good, but it's been pretty good. It took a long time to break it in, but it's now becoming my favorite 22 pistol I have. I do have a Taurus TX22 as well. All right, you ready?
Yep.
What should we do here? We do nature training. We're gonna select that one. And while it loads, we get ready. Fingers off the trigger. Here we go. Oh, I don't know what that was. It didn't lock open, but
Maybe that last one was loaded a little light and it didn't have enough.
Could be. This one you gotta hit them when they're green, the check mark. And then they kind of flip. Got a lot of good hits on that one. Kinds of targets. We're out.
There, both those magazines or clip-a-zines went great.
Yeah, just the one that I don't know what happened. It shot. It just didn't lock open. But
Yeah, you were out anyway.
not too worried about that. So on here, we're gonna take cards. This is blackjack. So computer's gonna deal. And then I have to beat them by shooting the cards. This game is fun because it's not just shoot, 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 and you're out of ammo right away. And it gives you time too. So you ready? So the dealer's got 17. So really just two face cards just got them. I gotta make sure I get them. Oh, I got the one below it. Crap.
Oh, you got a...
I can get.
You got
four.
16.
Got it. So you gotta do a little bit of math too. Two faces, king and queen. I had to reset my paper. All right, they have 18, so this faces again. They have 18, I'll hit the queen. Got him. Take jack and 10 if I can. You gotta get him though, that's the thing.
Dealer has 17.
Okay, I got a one failure.
And he got 20.
Out. Other mag.
had 16, he got 20. Dealer's got 16.
Usually 10 or any face cards will,
Yeah.
you know, most of the time beat them.
He got 20. Dealer's got 19 this time.
Well, there's an ace up there, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Got him.
21, blackjack.
Oh yeah.
Dealer's got 16.
And I believe it only
he got
lets you
20.
shoot 3 of them, so you have to do your math to get them. Doesn't always give you the right stuff. You gotta sometimes take 3, or if you miss, then you get screwed.
Dealer had 17, he got 20.
Oh, it's got 20.
Oh, the dealer's got 21.
So now I have to hit the ace and
they have 20, huh?
they
yeah.
have 20. I have to hit the ace in the bottom right, and then any of the face cards. So I'll hit the face first. Got him.
Dealer's got 17.
That was easy.
And he got 20. Dealer's got 17.
Bingo.
And he got 20. Dealer's got 19 this time. And he got 20. Dealer's got 19.
Any of them on the bottom there. Okay, I'm out. Out of ammo.
Yep.
I put 1 bullet in just to finish this game off here. Assuming that I can do it in 1, right?
Yep. And we're empty.
I don't even have a magazine in then.
No clipazine?
No. Oh, see the Ruger SR22, you can't even do that without a mag. The trigger's dead.
Oh.
Alright, 2 more clipazines loaded with Federal Auto Match. The CCI ran pretty good. The crap Winchester was running pretty good. It's just running better now. There's no question. The sights are nice on it. It's got a nice feel. We'll probably be doing a full review in the future on it. Maybe compare it to the TX22 as well. Let's move this paper up.
Yeah. There we go. Now we lost our holes. Ready?
Yeah. All right, clipazine 2. I had 1 failure.
I had a click and no boom.
That's not bad though. In 2 more mags of Federal Auto Match. We're gonna try the tank one here. I know the tanks take more than 1 hit, so I'm gonna keep shooting them till they die, and then shoot back.
Not in real life, just in the game. Then you die and the game's over.
Now I gotta get 2. I gotta destroy 3.
He's at, yeah, level 3, destroy 3 tanks.
That one ain't gonna do with this magazine.
Do you want to pause it and reload?
Sure. Alright, I'll continue this.
You ready?
Yep.
$6,000.
Okay. I'll finish off this mag with something here. I'll just do the sniper one. Being a bad good guy. What's he doing?
I think you're supposed to shoot him. Yeah, he was shooting at you.
That guy's behaving. I missed that one.
Yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to shoot that one or not.
Oh, I'm out. We're gonna end that there. With this. Alright, I got Isaiah here. And one of the other times I shot this 322, that's when I was having a lot of problems with it. He took a look at it. What did you find?
So, gun was, being that it's 22, was a little dirty. And what I did is basically add a little more lubrication to it. But one of the biggest things of firearms is I think you also took it apart and cleaned it before, correct?
Yeah, one time. I cleaned every time I use it.
Basically, it's just getting a little gunked up, but being that it's a brand new gun, they tend to get a little finicky. But have you had any issues since?
It's been doing pretty good, even with not CCI ammo, with the Winchester and the Federal Auto Match.
So I think it's just a combination of 22's dirty, new gun, so kind of getting broken in, and then I also added a slightly lighter oil inside of it. That oil basically was going to help it break in a little easier and run a little smoother. So that's basically what I did. I did take it down a little further, and I basically ran on a parts cleaner, took it apart, put it back together with that Slip 2000 oil, and burning good ever since.
And also, when you shot it that day, and you were using the Browning,
Yeah.
and that gave you a few problems, right?
Yes, it did. Basically, for what I've run with working here and working with other 22s is they tend to run really, really good with the ammo they like, and if it doesn't like that ammo, they absolutely hate it. So, perfect example is I have a conversion kit for my Glock 19, and that specific gun only likes CCI ammo. So it'll run 40 grain stuff, standard velocity. It will barely like the extra velocity quick stuff, and then if it's any subsonic stuff, I have lots of issues with it. So basically, once you find the right ammunition combination for your gun, every gun's different. Typically, some manufacturers do have the recommended ammo type for the specific firearm, but basically, once you find the ammo you like it, it'll run pretty good, typically.
Nice. So what did you think of it today?
It did pretty good. It was feeling, what, maybe around 2%?
Yeah,
Which
maybe
is
around
kind
every
of
2 magazines.
expected for 22.
It's not the worst.
Not too bad. Once again, it's 22. It's a dirty round.
Yeah.
There's no around it.
Okay, the bottles,
With the
the 4 ounce is $9.99.
lead tip and everything.
1 ounce is
So,
$5.99.
so you guys were running what today? Were you guys running Federal or CCI?
Federal auto match, some CCI, and some Winchester that was crap for our other 22s. So, which I know it was crap, but
Gotta burn it up.
it went through pretty good. So
Oh, sweet.
I think it's 2 breaking in, and
So how many rounds are you looking at
Oh, yeah.
currently with this?
I know it's got to have over 1,000 because 5 mags is already at 100.
Yeah.
And
You've been here 4 or 5 times at least with this gun, and then
yep,
you got a shot on your channel too.
yep.
So I consider this a broken in gun. So
And also, I shot it for the Pistol 1 class too. And I was hoping that it would fail for a reason, for the instructor to pretty much be like, well, here's what you do in a hurry if it does it, and it didn't fail much.
yeah,
So
basically it's very simple for like malfunction is tap, rack, bang, and if that doesn't work, strip the magazine, rack, allow gravity to make sure the round is out of it, and then insert new magazine, and then rack that slide forward and get back into action.
all right. Well, thanks for your input.
Anytime.